Hey, hey, hey. Ooh, ooh. Ow, I'm got this bun and bangs going on. Go check that video out where I done this little install of the bun and bangs. Okay. Yeah, she cute or whatever without makeup, But I decided to go ahead on and go with a little light beat today. Natural light. That natural. But I just want to go ahead on and do this quick little tutorial. And I had went and got some items from my local beauty supply store here where I stay. And I got this is a Kiss New York foundation that I got. Kiss New York. And make sure this lighting. Let's see. It's too bright. My focus. But yeah, this is the Kiss foundation that I got. And I like it like this. I got some powdered kind, but I got some powdered kind, but I really would just prefer to use this kind, like the liquid kind, or this kind right here. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on. Really just focus on those dark spots anyway, if you have those. But I'm just gonna put a little bit on. And really and truly, I just go in with my hand. But I do have a brush to blend it. I even got a pack of those little those makeup sponges. I even got a pack of mini makeup sponges. But like I said, I have the brush here. But like I said, really what I just pretty much do is just go in with my hand. Go in with my hand to just... Oh, I think I put a little bit too much. But did I know? I think that's gonna do it. I'm not gonna put a whole lot. These bangs are covering up my forehead, so I don't really... if you got a hairstyle where you wearing bangs, trying to put makeup all up on top of your head, I don't think there's really no point. You don't have to. Worry about putting makeup all on top of your forehead. But if you want to, do what it do. It's all on you if you want to. But that's enough of that. I'm not gonna be worried about putting. Okay, well, and like this is some that setting spray, but if you want to spray some of that on, that's all I really do. I do my lashes and I do this, some foundation, and got the lipstick going on right here. This is Jean Michelle. That's the color that's on one end. I like it that it's 2-in-1 where you can blend it. You got that color that I just put on for that end. And then you have this color on this end. You don't have to blend it, but ooh, she blending. A little bit goes a long way, okay? That is so cute. Ooh. She blending. This is some glitter. Some glitter eyeliner. I'm gonna put these on these lashes I got on these. That's all it takes for me. It doesn't take much for me. It doesn't take much. Just a little bit. But that's all it takes from me. Light beat for the streets, okay? And I'm so satisfied with that. I'm not too concerned with just, yep. That's all what that is for that today. Get you just a little light beat going on, This is the clip-on Bunny Bangs features, whatever it's called. Features. Anyway, get your light beat on and have a good day, okay?